What's going on? My name is Mr. C, and I'll be your guide today in your Toolbox Tutors math session. Today, we'll be simplifying this expression by subtracting these polynomials. And by the end of this video, I'll walk you through step by step. Let's go ahead and get started. In order to subtract polynomials, you need two tools. You need to understand the distributive property and understand combining like terms. If you don't understand either one of these concepts, I'll leave a link to these videos that we have in the description below. For this example, we'll be simplifying 8y minus 3y to the third power plus 10y squared minus the expression 3y squared plus 11y to the third power minus 7. So first, once again, what we want to do is distribute this negative to everything that's behind it. So everything in this second parentheses will become the opposite. So this negative will be distributed to this 3y squared, to this positive 11y to the third, and also to this negative 7. So we're going to keep 8y minus 3y to the third plus 10y squared. And what happens with this positive 3y squared is it changes to the opposite. So we have a negative 3y squared. This positive 11y to the third changes to the opposite. So we have negative 11y to the third. And this negative 7 changes to a positive 7. I'll put these back in parentheses. And don't forget to put this plus right in between them. So from here, we're just simply combining like terms. So we're beginning with this 8y. 8y doesn't have any like terms. So what we can do is just bring it down here. So we have 8y. Next, we have negative 3y to the third, which has a like term of negative 11y to the third. So negative 3 minus 11 gives us negative 14y to the third. Now, negative 14y to the third has a larger exponent than 8y. So what we'll do is go ahead and put this in front of this 8y so we won't forget to move it later. And last, in the first parentheses, we have 10y to the second power. 10y to the second power has a like term of negative 3y to the second power, and 10 minus 3 gives us 7. So we have 7y to the second power. Now 7y to the second power is less than negative 14y to the third power. So what we're going to do is stick it right behind that in front of the positive 8y, since it has a larger exponent than the 8y. And last, we have this positive 7 left over here on the end. Since this doesn't have an exponent, we'll stick it on the end of this 8y. And here we have our answer of negative 14y to the third plus 7y squared plus 8y plus 7. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helps you out any, don't forget to hit the like button. And also don't forget to check out all the other videos that we have on Toolbox Tutors on YouTube.